Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing the Megaglo Hello Halo. I did a review on the other color, and now I'm going to do a review on this one. This is in the color Hello Gorgeous. Okay, so let me just kind of recap. It is a glass bottle, so be very careful. And the applicator is ginormous. It's like one of those sharp tart shape tape applicators. So let's go ahead. I just have a tad bit of a bronzer on. I'm going to go ahead and apply it straight to the skin, and then I'm going to take a hard beauty blender, not a wet one, a hard, and I'm just going to kind of push this into the skin, and we are going to check out the color. I do have pink in my eyes, and you know what? I don't know why I just did it like that. I think I just put it on the skin just for demonstration purposes, because I realized in my last video, you're not supposed to do that. Okay, because it leaves, when I do it this way, it leaves a very sharp line. So the way that I found out by trial and error, which I just repeated the trial and error, is that I take it on the beauty blender like this, and I kind of just smear it out, pat it out, and then I apply it like this, and it doesn't leave a harsh line. But I'm looking at this color, guys. So I'm actually going to be using this as my blush and my highlighter, because it has that hint of pink. And wow. And this, like I mentioned with the other shade, the gold shade, it just like, it melts into the skin. I do use quite a bit of product, because I do put it onto the blender and then push it in and then kind of just pat it like this. So it is not like so blinding, but at the same time, just look at this. It has that beautiful, like natural melt into your skin glow. So this is definitely a highlighter that you guys should go to Walgreens and get, because it is so daytime, and it doesn't look like I'm overly glam, but I'm glam. I'm totally glam, and I look more youthful because of that shine. So if you guys actually found a highlighter that is just as good as this, and within, you know, well, I was going to say within the price point, but no, not really, not within the price point, because I don't think we'll find another one within this price point that's a liquid, let me know in the comment section. But let me just kind of show you again. That's with and without. It's so pretty. I'm just going to swatch it really quick on my hand so you guys can see. Like, it is so pretty. Once again, let me know in the comment section if you guys recommend a different one. What would you like me to try? But if you could, please hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up. I am Christina Marie. I'm out.